Namah Shivaya. When we start forgiving people and accepting them for who they are, we essentially give way to unconditional love. Unconditional love is love without any expectations. It is the unconditional love in nature when a flower gives us fragrance, whether we like the flower or not. The trees give us shade and the sun gives us heat and light without asking anything in return. The basic nature of all these things is unconditional love. And unconditional love is our real power. It is the only thing that truly belongs to us, and we can share it. This body you got from your parents. The wealth you have, you accumulated from the world. But unconditional love is truly yours to give freely, without worrying about losing anything. Unconditional love is the only energy that flows to us more and more from the universe the more we give it. When we start practicing unconditional love, our heart chakra opens up and the blockages in the physical body get released. As the cosmic energy, the flow of cosmic energy is enhanced, the process of healing within the body starts. The energy of unconditional love has the power to transmute all other forms of energy. When you radiate this energy, anybody who comes into your energy field, regardless of their initial agenda, starts loving you instead. This is the power of unconditional love. Any enemies you might have will lose all their power and become exhausted. And people with helpful and positive agendas will start entering your life. They would want to be just around you because your presence itself starts healing people by transmuting all their negative energies. Now it's easy to love someone who is nice to you. But what if someone is not so nice to you? We must understand that unconditional love is not about the other person at all. It is about being true to your very own nature. Buddha was once taking a walk by the riverside and he saw a scorpio drowning in the water. He tried to take the scorpio out with his hand, but the scorpio bit him and fell right back into the water. Buddha tried again to lift him out, and the scorpio bit him again and fell back into the water. It was finally the third time around that Buddha somehow managed to get the scorpio out and save his life. Now his disciples were watching all this and they asked him, "Why go through so much trouble to save the creature when it was clearly harming you in the process?" To this Buddha replied, "Even in the face of death, even while drowning, the scorpio did not give up its true nature, which is to sting. Why should I give up my true nature, which is unconditional love, for mere discomfort in the hand?" So unconditional love is our basic true nature. And when we are true to our nature, we enhance our own well-being. And our lives start becoming better and better. Namaskar.